Hello friends and welcome. I'm so happy to be here. I'm outside again. Today we are doing a special class and I have a special friend that is visiting. Who is it? Is it Mr. Green? I don't know. Do you see a friend? He is blue and he has green feathers and a yellow beak. Where? Oh, hi friend! Right here. Do you remember our friend's name? Hello friend, how are you? I don't remember your name. Do you? Well friend, my name is Miss Diana from the pre-K after school team. What is your name? Mr. Aloued. Hello. I know you. You used to help Miss Karine. Thank you for being in my house. Before we start our gardening class, we have to say hello. Do you know the hello song? He knows. And what, Mr. Aloued, are you ready for a welcome song? I see he's sitting down. He is sitting on his bottom. He's not crisscross applesauce, but that's okay. If you're sitting on a chair, if you're sitting on the floor, are you ready? You are ready. So stretch your fingers and go like this. And hello to everyone. And how are you today? We come to gardening class to laugh and sing and learn. And when you're up, you're up, 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 up. And when you're down, 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 down. And when you're halfway, you're neither up nor down. So, move your hands slowly and quietly. And move them really fast, 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 fast. Give your hands up, clap, clap, clap. And put them in your lap, tap, tap. And should we do it in Spanish? Okay. Buenos días, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Yo muy bien, gracias. Yo muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Estamos listos? Today we are going to do gardening. I have a friend right here that is visiting too. Mr. Flower, do you remember the colors and all the flower and the fillings? I am not going to tell you again, but I am going to show it to Mr. Aloued. Mr. Aloued, you hear your friends? Look at your friends. They're flying away and making a lot of sounds. Whoa, they're saying hi to you. Do you want to smell the flower? Today, my flower smells just like happiness. So today, we're going to talk about plants in gardening class. But before we start, we have to put everything on to be ready, which means we're going to put our gardening gloves on. We're going to put our listening ears on. We're going to put our thinking hat on. We're going to put our gardening apron on. Good job. Now we're ready. So we're going to talk about plants. I have 3 of my favorite plants at home that I take care of and I love them so much. And I want to show them to Mr. Aloued and to you. I have this very tall plant that was a baby but now is super tall. This is a cactus plant. It has this right here, look. Be careful, it's sharp. If you touch it, it may hurt you. Then I have this plant right here that is only made of leaves. And I love it because I have to really take care of it and make sure the leaves are clean. And I have my cypress tree, which somebody gave me on the holidays. That's why it's so sparkly. I have my 3 plants that I take care of every day with a lot of love. How do plants grow? How do they grow? Well, plants need food just like us. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is broccoli. What is your favorite food? And what is your favorite food? Ooh, carrots. So we all have food that we love and we need food to be healthy. What else do we eat or drink every day? Milk, sometimes juice, that's right, or water. So one of the most important things that plants need is water. We water our plants when they're dry. I want to show you how my tree is a little bit dry. Look. So we have to make sure it has water, but not too much, just a little bit. And we're going to put a little bit of water so it's healthy and it grows. Plants need water to grow. Thank you. What else do you think they need? When plants are little babies like this, they call seeds, right? The seeds need water to grow. They also need, what is this? This is dirt. Wow, I know it's messy, but all the plants have dirt. And we put them inside. So I want to show you in this plant right here, has a lot of dirt. And the dirt has vitamins to help the plant grow. Just like vegetables give you vitamins to grow. I know you love vegetables. What else do we need? We need sun and light. And so when it's sunny, the plants grow and make them happy, and they need a lot of light if they're inside. And we also need time. So when you were a baby, right, very tiny baby like our seeds, you grew up to be now a pre-K and almost kindergarten. So you needed time. You need 4 years, 5 years, 6 years to grow. So we need to give our plants time to grow. But they also love a good temperature, which means it has to be a little tiny warm for some plants and a little bit tiny cold for others. So everybody's unique. Every plant is unique and needs their own vitamins and their own temperature and their own water and sunlight. So now, and soil. Now I just want to go over what a plant needs. Are you ready, Mr. Alouette? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, we are. We are working together. We are working together. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. So, let's see what plants need to grow. Are you ready? Yes, we are. We need water. We need soil. They need light, sunlight. They need the right temperature, warm or a little bit cold. And they need time because when they're baby seeds, they need time to grow. Good job! That was so nice. So remember, we have to take care of our plants, and we're gonna look at our life lessons and we're gonna show you how seeds grow. Okay? So take care. Make sure that you water your plants and you take care of them. Sometimes we can be kind to them and talk to them, right? Sometimes I talk to my plants and tell them how beautiful they are. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon, okay? Stay tuned. We're gonna do a lot more activities outside and a lot more fun things, okay? Goodbye, friends. Love you.